So, how are you, students? In the previous class, you learned about consistent and inconsistent pair of linear equations. Today, we are learning, so 4 methods are there. We are solving the pair of linear equation. Totally 4 methods. One is a substitution method. First one is substitution method. Substitution method. Second one is elimination method. And third one is cross multiplication method. And fourth one is, last but not least, is graphical method. But the main task, you know that one, this year is a pandemic year of COVID-19, 2020-21. So due to that reason, this substitution method and the cross multiplication method is deleted for the purpose of the student learning process. So only elimination method and the graphical method is there in a pair of linear equation for the 10th standard. So first of all, we go through on the elimination method and the graphical method. So what is elimination method? You know that when elimination method is, the name itself suggested that we eliminate or cancel the variables which having the same coefficient. So elimination method. Okay, shall we take one example of pair of linear equation? So x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. So we take it as this equation is 1 and this equation is called as 2. So whenever plus minus is there, this one is plus and this one is minus, y you observe y only, so then we subtract it. If the sign are same, like sign is there, we add it up. So x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. So here we subtract or cancel 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Cancel. Elimination is nothing but cancel. So 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10. This multiplication is converted into division. So x is equal to 5. So this value can be substituted in the first equation, but so then it will becomes substitution method. Due to that reason, we want pure elimination method. So here, pure elimination method means, so we cancel x here, because when we cancel y, we obtain x value. Now we cancel x, we obtain y value. Once again, we write the equation x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. You know that one, if plus plus is there, then it is not cancelled. Due to that reason, the second equation x minus y is equal to 2, you have to change the sign. That means by the helping of the subtraction only, we can obtain the value of y. So the second equation sign is negligible and you concentrated according to the sign, we have to change the opposite sign. If plus is there, you have to write minus, minus is there, you have to write plus, and plus is there, you have to write minus 2. So x become minus, x get cancelled. So plus y is there, that means 2y, 1 plus 1, and 8 plus 2 is becomes 8 minus 2 is becomes 6. So y is equal to 6 by 2 and y is equal to 3. Very good. It's a very easy task. And the verification is very essential. What is verification or verify? What is verify? So this is not considered in the examination, but when you verify that this equation, definitely you gain full marks. So x plus y is equal to 8. So substitute the value of x 5 plus y value 3. The 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is equal to 8. Wow. So you gain the answer. Definitely 2 marks is given for the elimination method in your examination. So this is according to elimination method. So what we obtained? Totally we obtained x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. Write it in a particular place, because next we come across the graphical method. Next we go to learn about the graphical method. Okay. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. We obtained in the elimination method. We got it. So second method, that is a graphical method. Graphical method. Okay. So graphical method is also easy. So two equations are there. See here, in the previous class, from maybe in a 7th standard itself, you learn the graphs. So graph is nothing but which having totally x. This one is x-axis. The horizontal line is called as x-axis, and vertical line is called as a y-axis. Each box having 1 centimeter measurement. So here I will write 1, 2, 3. Due to that reason, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. The equation is this type: x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 4. So shall we take x minus y is equal to 2. So by the helping of this one here, so we substitute the value of x. So x, if we give different type of values for x and y, so 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, but the students having the confusion, and definitely they while doing they are facing difficulty while doing the problem, because some mathematic fundamentals, mathematic problems, mathematic basic is not perfect in some students. Due to that reason, we put here only 0 and 0. This is an easy method to find out the value of x and y. Only two values necessary. So here also, this one is a table. So this table also having a same value. We put x value is 0 and y value is 0. So what will be obtained? Shall we go through on? So x is equal to 0. Then the first equation becomes, y is equal to 8. And y is equal to 0. Then the first equation becomes, that means y is becomes 0. Then x is equal to 8. And this one is according to the first equation. And the second equation, when x is equal to 0, you know that one, minus y is equal to 2 or y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 0, then it will becomes x is equal to 2. The coordinates we obtained here. So in the first equation, when x is equal to 0, 8, y is equal to 8, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. In the second equation, x is equal to 0, y becomes minus 2, and when we put y is equal to 0, then x becomes 2. The coordinates we obtained. The coordinates, that means you have to put first as x and second one is a y. 0, 8, another one is 8, 0. And here 0, minus 2, another one is 2, 0. We plot a graph. So this one is a 0. Whenever x is equal to 0, we put the dot or the point on a y-axis. When y is equal to 0, we put the point on a x-axis. So here 0, 8 is there. Due to that reason, so directly you put the point on a y-axis. This is 0, 8 and 8, 0. So here that means x-axis. So 8, 0. So by the helping of the scale, you can draw the line. Always the linear equation is in the form of a straight line. Always in a straight line. Okay. So this is a straight line regarding to x plus y is equal to 8 equation. Okay. Nice. So this is a line. So this is called as x plus y is equal to 8. So second one is there. Second equation having two coordinates 0, minus 2. So 0, that means x is 0. You put a point on a y axis. So this is called as 0, minus 2. And 2, 0 is nothing but x axis 2, 0. It is very easy task. I thought the students enjoy a lot while they are watching this video. So change the straight line here. So this is a straight line. By the helping of the scale, you can draw the straight line. Exactly. Okay. Exactly. So this is a line. This line is called as a x-axis. X minus y is equal to 2. Nice. So the value which will be obtained here, see here, this one is a 5 and this one is a 3. That means x point is x coordinate is 5 and y is nothing but 3. The same value is obtained here also. Elimination method also x is equal to 5 and graphical method is also x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3 and the graphical method is also y is equal to 3. So by the helping of this is very easy to learn, and two methods same value will obtained. So this graphical method totally 4 marks. The graphical method is very easy to do in the examination. We gain 4 marks in the examination very easily. So the student, I think that when this is easy way and learn very easily. By the helping of this video, you learn a lot. Very good. And watch this video, and this is the completion of a pair of linear equation. In the next video, you learn in the next regarding to the next chapter. Okay. Thank you for watching this.